He's a good eater.
When Katie Davis was going back to school, her mom wanted her to feel confident. So she
What are you doing? Yeah? Yeah? Are you a little messy? Uh-oh. Yeah, you got bread on your hand. On your arm. Yeah. Uh-oh. 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 Now you have butter in your hair. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Didn't your mommy ever teach you not to play with your food? Yay!